Hello everyone. Today I am back with another letter writing. Today's letter is letter of placing order, and this letter is important for students who are in class 10, as this is one of the writing section in class 10 CBSE board. The letter is very easy, and let me tell you how you can write a good letter of placing order. Letter of placing order is very easy to write if you know how and what are the things that you need to include in this letter. Some of the common examples of letter of placing order are placing an order for school books or sports equipments or school furniture supplies, etc., etc. So let us discuss the format of a letter of placing order. Firstly, we will write the sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation. Salutation is a greeting where we write dear sir, or you can just write sir. After that, you will be writing the subject. Now, in many books, subjects are written before the salutation, and that is absolutely correct. If you choose to write subject before and then salutation, that is also correct, or salutation and then subject, this is also correct. After that, you will be writing the body or the content of the letter, then your closing sentence. After that, your subscription. Subscription means where you write yours sincerely followed by your name. Now, usually the address and the name of the writer is given in the question paper. So you will follow those address and names that are given in the question paper and not write any other names. Now, let us also look at what are the things that we need to mention in the content of the letter. As this is a formal letter, you don't need to specify anything personal. You can directly start, straight to the point by asking about the items that you want to place an order for. For example, if you're placing an order for furnitures, then you need to mention the type of furniture. For example, if it is chair or table or any other things, and then what are the numbers of these items? So whether you want it 10 or how many numbers of items do you need? Apart from that, you also need to specify the materials, or if you want a certain brand, so if you're looking for, say, cupboard, if you want it to be an aluminium or steel or wood, so you can specify those materials. The next thing is when do you want this item to reach you, and how are you going to make the payment for those items? This few things need to be there in the letter. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.